Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It's Wednesday, November 29th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You got a technical bounce here into the wheat and corn market as they are oversold conditions. Overnight had a new low into the corn market, just about a quarter cent below where we were yesterday. Able to come back, closing up about 3 cents on the day. Wheat market, you were anywhere from 4 cents higher in Chicago, slightly higher in Kansas City, steady in Minneapolis, so you were down about 4 to 5 cents at one point. So you are seeing those technical trends and buyers coming in the market. Bean market, different situation, really struggling here. You couldn't get through that $10 very well, found some selling pressure, and now you're in a little bit of a dead zone where you don't have a whole lot of buyers or sellers, closing about steady on the day. You did have support show up into the cattle markets, though it didn't sound like there was too much trade out there, but that was seen as a positive sign nonetheless. So about $1 higher in live cattle and feeder cattle. Lean hogs broke just before the close, down about 60 cents, though deferred contracts stayed steady to slightly higher. Outside markets, crude market slightly lower, dollar steady. Dow market, big day there, up 100 points, so continued strength into those stock markets. That's a big one out there. Moving forward, we do have export sales tomorrow. That'll be a big one for this market. You did see them release yesterday after the close. USDA released some baseline number. That's just a broad guess at what you're going to be seeing moving forward. And they put 91 million acres planted on both soybeans and corn. Now you take this with a grain of salt because a lot can change, but they did plug in a very large carryout for corn and actually a pretty tight one into the bean market. And so that's one thing to watch. Granted, they don't know how weather is going to be or planting season is going to be, but that's where they're basing it off of right now. And like I said, we'll get export sales tomorrow, so that'll give the market a little bit to talk about as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.